It's Rick the Realtor here in the Silverado Ranch area of Las Vegas, where I'm going to be walking you through this beautiful home that's a little over 4,000 square feet on a quarter-acre lot. Come with me and check this out. Welcome home to 9384 Pinnacle Cove in Silverado Ranch. Over 4,000 square feet on a quarter-acre with a pool. Check out the beautiful entrance. 22-foot ceilings in the foyer with a split staircase. Features that you would normally see in a $1 million or multi-million-dollar property. So just past the grand entrance and the beautiful foyer, we get to the family room that is really the gem of this property. It is designed for hosting. As you can see, the wonderful fireplace that really gives you a nice space to gather. My favorite part is this kitchen. With the 2 islands, it works so beautifully where you have 1 island for prep and 1 island for presentation. The Viking appliances and the stainless steel touch just really complete the look. I have seen this beautiful home at work hosting comfortably 50 to 60 people. These beautiful open spaces have wonderful views of this quarter-acre backyard. So why don't we go check those out and get a closer look? Yeah. All right, guys, it's party time. We are in the backyard of this wonderful Las Vegas home with full wet bar, beautiful view of the pool, lush lawn for the kids to play, and we're gonna take you over here to my favorite part of the backyard, which is the barbecue. No times with own mindset. And to cap it off, let's take you upstairs to check out the game room and a couple of nice features that make this property very unique. Let's go. And now, the game room. You can easily put a big full-size pool table, the Pac-Man machine, you name it. And the wall space allows for an in-home movie theater. The house splits up to beautiful room distribution with on one side a full bed and bath, but not only that, a laundry chute. We're gonna leave Stonegate today and head over to a local restaurant because I'm starving.
Dogged up to the dudes when they called, I responded. Now I stay silent to the cat calling. I claw at your invitation. I don't respect.
Antonio.
Hey, good to see you. How's it going?
See you again. Guys, this is Antonio Nunez, who has a long track record of opening up great restaurants on the Las Vegas Strip and has taken his talents to the suburbs. And we're here at the Stove, which is one of the most popular places around for brunch in the Las Vegas Valley. What I'd really like to talk about today is a wonderful thing that you did during COVID.
I was actually at Smith's right down the street from here. We were picking up a couple things to test and trial a new dish. I walk into this lady, she's in full tears. She can't get toilet paper, bleach, milk, any of these essentials that are needed for the house. I called my business supporters like Cisco, US Foods, things like that. They don't deliver to the Smiths. And they're sitting on all this surplus. So what we did was we brought her all her stuff and then we opened up as a grocery store to supply all of our seniors in the neighborhood.
We love coming here to eat, but not many people know your story. They don't know how big your heart is and how much you care about this local community that you now are a huge part of. So thank you. All right, guys, so now we're going inside. Yvette's waiting on us, and so is my food. I will talk to you later.
Let's get some champagne in here.
Hey, that's it. Hey.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Hungry.
Well, I got food on the way.
Good.
Where have you been?
We were at Pinnacle Cove over in Stonegate.
Oh, no way.
Yep.
How's that going?
And we just accepted an offer.
That's amazing.
Yep. So Yvette knows the property very well. Tell us what you like about the property.
I'm just a huge fan of how spacious it is. It's not only was it 6 bedrooms, but the outdoor space. Everyone would open up the back door and be like, oh, real grass.
Right?
Like, yes, there is real grass in Vegas.
No, and Yvette's like the Henderson queen. She does a lot of business on this side of town. So the Silverado Ranch area and Henderson kind of blend together like one.
I mean, the freeway access is fantastic. You're rated for some of the top schools in the state. The whole of Easter is just packed full of like top-end restaurants.
Yeah, and what a lot of people that are from across the country don't realize is how small this town is. You know, we're up in the hills of Henderson, but we're 20 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip. And right after this, Yvette's heading over to Boulder City to show a property, which is where the Hoover Dam is. But, oh, what is it? That's 20 miles away as well. So we really invite you guys to come into the neighborhoods. Come see places like Henderson and Anthem and Silverado Ranch and realize that there's a whole lot more to Las Vegas than just the Strip. All right, everybody. Yvette, always on the go. She's got to run across town for another showing. I'm starving, so that you don't watch me eat, we're going to let you go. We'll see you next time on American Dream TV.